Hey guys, today we'll be looking at the subject matter of copyright. This means that we'll be looking at what kinds of works are eligible for copyright protection under the Copyright Act of 1957. Section 13 of the Act governs the subject matter of copyright protection, and subsection 1 states that original literary, dramatic, and musical works, or LDMA, cinematograph films, as well as sound recordings are eligible for copyright. We'll be looking at each of these categories to see what kind of works fall under each, starting with literary works. This is defined in Section 2.0 and includes books, articles, reports, question papers, dictionaries, head notes, and even translation and abridgments of various kinds of literary works, as well as computer programs and even databases. Secondly, we have dramatic works, which includes any pieces of recitation, choreographic work, scenic arrangement, or acting, and it could be fixed in writing or it could not be as well. But dramatic works don't include any cinematograph films because this is a separate category by itself. Thirdly, we have artistic works, which is defined in Section 2C, and it includes all kinds of art that you see around you, such as paintings, sculptures, drawings, photographs, and works of architecture. Then we come to musical works, which is defined in Section 2P, and it includes any works consisting of music and includes any graphical notation of such work, but it doesn't include any words or any action intended to be sung, spoken, or performed with the music. Then we have cinematograph films, which is defined in Section 2F, and it includes any work of visual recording and includes a sound recording accompanying such visual recording. This means that the sound recording should accompany the visual recording and not stand by itself, because sound recording by itself is another category. And cinematograph films includes any work produced by any process analogous to cinematography, including video films. This means that if there's any other technique of production of cinematograph films which is analogous, that would also be included under this category. Lastly, we have sound recording, which is defined in Section 2XX, and it includes recording of sound from which such sound may be produced, regardless of the medium on which such sound recording is made or the method by which the sound is produced. That's all for today's video. I hope we all got acquainted with the various subject matters of copyright. Before we end the video, I'd like to say that we're a small channel and we're dedicated to high quality and consistent videos on Indian intellectual property rights. So if you'd like to subscribe to the channel or leave a like, that would go a long way. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you all in upcoming videos.